Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video we are going to discuss about agile model. So before we have discussed many models of SDLC till now, but if we want to know about latest models, which is also asked in many interviews which is used by many companies like Facebook, Amazon, Google, and so on, is agile model. So in this video, I will explain you all the points about agile model. So the word agile itself means move quickly. So if we talk about the traditional waterfall model, then if we follow that model for developing software product, it may take us an year or so to launch the final software product. But if we talk about today's point of view, so in digital era of today, if you like have an idea of developing a product and use traditional method to develop it, then it will take like more than a year to launch it. Until then you never know that the same product or your idea may be obsolete. So agile method agile uses move quickly funda, and it suppose I will give you an example that if you want to buy a new laptop, so you will look at the latest configuration or latest version to buy it, right? So after you bought the laptop of latest version, after 10 to 15 days a new or upgraded version of laptop of that same company is released. So this release of new version is like so fast. In like every 10 to 15 days new version of the laptop is going to release, and it's like so fast in case of a software product. So these releasing of new versions uses the agile method. So agile method is where a large project is divided into smaller chunks, and that smaller chunks like uh, perform all the steps parallelly in order to complete the software product. So and at the final stage they all are combined and the final software product is deployed. So that larger project is first released, then feedback is given, then some enhancements are made, and then re-release is done. So it works in similar way for all the iterations. So here like the phases of agile model are the requirements gathering, that is first the use client give its requirements and the developer gathers the requirements, then designing of the software, then the construction or the coding part, then testing, then deployment, and finally the feedback. And according to the feedback, like the enhancement are made and re-release of the software is done. So when to use agile model? So when like frequent changes are required, and when highly qualified and experienced team is available, when a customer is ready to have a meeting with a software team all the time, and when the project size is small. So advantages of using agile model could be like frequent delivery of the product is there, like after completing small chunks that delivery is done. Next is face to face communication with clients. This is very important. It's not like that when one phase of the project will be completed then only like you can have communication with the clients. It's not like that. What will happen here is the developers will have the conversation face to face conversation with client every week in order to know that they are going heading towards right direction of the project or not. So next is changes. Like if the client wants some changes, then the changes can be made much faster as compared to other models. And at last we have time, like obviously less time is required in product delivery. So these all are the advantages of using agile model. Disadvantages could be like if there is it does not focuses much on documentation. Like it focuses more on implementing the product, designing the code, and completing it at much faster pace. And next is maintenance problem. Like there is no proper documentation, and if the if the product is finished and working fine in the market and the developers are allotted new project, so afterwards, like after 2 or 3 months, if some issues occur in the project and there is no proper documentation, so maintenance could be a problem in this case. And so these all are the disadvantages. So in this model there is a flexibility in the team, like there is no such hierarchy, like first there will be developers, then team leads, then manager, then senior manager, and so on. It's not so. Here the team works as a whole and try to achieve the single task and deliver the project to the client as soon as possible. So I hope all your doubts are clear with this video of agile model, because I have explained you all the things in a very simplified manner. So till then, do like this video and subscribe my channel, and I'm going to cover all the next topics like this only by giving the examples of all the models, and so that you all can understand in a much better way. Thank you.